Welcome to Quiz Prapancha. This video consists of 15 MCQ questions. If you have 10 seconds for each question to answer, only genius can score. Let's begin. Which of the following is a bird? Your options are A. Shark, B. Eagle, C. Frog, D. Tiger. Right answer is eagle. Which bird is most able to mimic a human speech? Your options are A. Crow, B. Pigeon, C. Parrot, D. Hummingbird. Right answer is parrot. The fastest bird in the world is, your options are A. Eagle, B. Kingfisher, C. Sparrow, D. Falcon. Right answer is falcon. Which class the bird belongs to? Options are A. Aves, B. Amphibia, C. Mollusca, D. Reptile. Right answer is Aves. Which is the largest living bird? Your options are A. Dinosaurus, B. Emu, C. Ostrich, D. Peacock. Right answer is ostrich. Which of the following bird cannot fly? Options are A. Duck, B. Ostrich, C. Cock, D. Peacock. Yes, ostrich is the right answer. What is the main diet of hummingbird? Options are nectar, insects, seeds, grass. Right answer is nectar. Which bird is considered as the smallest bird? Options are A. Sparrow, B. Lovebird, C. B. Hummingbird, D. Parrot. B. Hummingbird is the right answer. Which of the following is lays eggs? Options are A. Elephant, B. Horse, C. Chicken, D. Cow. Right answer is the chicken. Which is the national bird of India? Options are A. Hummingbird, B. Cock, C. Peacock, D. Eagle. Right answer is peacock. Which bird lays the largest egg? Your options are A. Penguin, B. Ostrich, C. Hen, D. Falcon. Yes, right answer is ostrich. Which bird is having ability for long migration? Your options are A. Arctic tern, B. Lovebird, C. Hummingbird, D. Eagle. Right answer is Arctic tern. Which one of the following is known as the nocturnal? Options are A. Owl, B. Peacock, C. Sparrow, D. Falcon. Right answer is owl. Which bird is considered as a small symbol of peace? Your options are A. Crow, B. Dove, C. Duck, D. Hummingbird. Right answer is dove. What is the main purpose of feathers for birds? Your options are A. Flying and insulation, B. Hunting, C. Protecting offsprings, D. Swimming. Right answer is flying and insulation. Thank you for watching my video.